Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to turn on page grid in Inkscape. It is really helpful function because it will let you to set optimal position of your objects. So for example, we have here arrow, so I can easily change the position of this arrow. I don't need to use guides to do it, yeah, so it is really simple. So if you want to set this page grid like me, you need to watch this tutorial until the end. Okay, so it is a new project without a page grid. We have here a white page. So if you want to turn on page grid, I'm going to show you two methods. First method is based on settings. So we need to go to the left upper corner and here we have view settings. We need to open this option and now we will see this window. We have here a lot of really important options, but we are interested in to go to page grid. So I click on this option. And like you see, page grid has been successfully turned on. You can always turn it off if you will go to view and uncheck this option. And the second option to turn on page grid is use the shortcut from keyboard. So I click shift and hashtag, and after a moment the page grid will be successfully displayed here. And it's everything in this video. If I help you to solve your problem, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, because it really supports my work, and it's everything. Thank you for watching.